Let me show you on this video how to connect your online forms with your favorite cloud storage. So follow me to my desktop right now. What's up everyone, welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Jotform with your favorite cloud storage. That way you can have a secondary backup of your PDFs, your form submissions, and much more. So let's get started. In this case, we need to select the form that we want to connect with. In this case, I'm going to use this one for testing purposes. So let's go ahead and edit the form, and this will take us to the Jotform form builder. Next, we need to select the settings here on the settings tab. And on the left, we have the integration option. So let's go ahead and select it. And this is going to open up all the available integrations that you can do with Jotform. In this case, we want to search for the cloud storage. Now, if you know the name of the cloud storage, just go ahead and type it in here, or search, for example, for cloud or drive, for example, and you'll find different options for your use case. For example, if I want to connect with a Google Drive, all I have to do is go ahead and select this, connect with the account. And in this case, I can integrate the account from my Jotform into my Google Drive, go through the process of authentication, and we'll be good to go to integrate and send files over to your Google Drive. Now, the setup process is super easy. Once you integrate, let's go ahead and continue and finish the setup process. So we now integrated, now we need to set up right here. So first off, we need to enter the folder name. I recommend that you use a folder name that you could locate. For example, if you only use it for this form, we can set, for example, Jotform submissions. That's going to be easy for me to locate, right? Then we can create a subfolder for each submission. So inside of that folder, we're going to create a brand new folder for each one of the submissions. For example, in this case, we can set the folder name to be unique. Submission ID, I can set a dash here. And from the field, I can use, for example, the name. So that's going to be unique. It's going to have the submission ID and the name. You can use other variables from your form to make the title unique for the folder. Then we need to set the send submission PDFs to Google Drive. So do you want to send the PDFs to Google Drive? In this case, yes, I'm going to select the PDF, send uploaded fields to Google Drive. In this case, my form doesn't have an uploaded file submission option, so I don't need to upload files or images. I'm not getting this option. But if you do have those submissions, you'll get the options to upload that too. Once you're good to go ahead and save it. And once you make a brand new submission on any of the Google Clouds, it's going to send over those files to your favorite cloud storage. So connecting and integrating with your favorite cloud storage is super easy here on Jotform. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Jotform, start building your forms, and connect with your favorite cloud storage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.